Good morning, myself Prahalad Badkar. This is the fourth example on the acceleration diagram. Then I'll read the example. Okay. Example 4, in the mechanism shown in figure, determine the acceleration of the slider C. You have to find the acceleration of the slider C. They given as a O1A, that is 100 mm, AB is a 120 mm, O2B is a 150 mm, BC is a 350 mm. The crank O1A rotates at a 240 rpm. Then first I will draw the space diagram. For the space diagram, I will take it as a scale as a 1 centimeter equal to 50 mm. Okay, I will draw the first. I have already drawn because to save the time. This is a simple drawing. Okay, what I taken as O1A, that is a 100 mm, AB is a 120 mm, BC is a 350 mm, and O2B is a 150 mm. At the same time, distance between O1 and O2 is a 240, and distance between this C and O2, that is a eccentricity, it is a 60 mm. Okay, that is a O1A, that makes a 45 degree. Then this 240 is it is a clockwise direction, that is a 240 rpm. Then I'll go to the velocity diagram. For the velocity diagram, at least you need one of the magnitude, one of the component, one of the velocity that should be clearly magnitude and direction. We can get it for the A. Velocity of A with respect to O1, you will get it as a complete magnitude and direction only, because that is given as a omega also. That is omega is nothing but a n is given. You will get it as a velocity as a, you put it as a 240, and that is the length of the O1A is 100 mm. That is you have to convert in a meter. It comes as a 2.513. Then I will take it as a scale as a 1 centimeter equal to, okay, I will take it as a scale as a 1 centimeter equal to 0.25 meter per second for the velocity. Okay, first you have to look at the fixed point. I draw the fixed point here. First I will draw the fixed point. Okay, then fixed point is, I will find here somewhere, here O1 and O2. Okay, this is a direction is a, you have to take it as a direction is in this way. That is a clockwise direction wise. First direction is, it is in this way only. Okay, then what is how much this is a distance I have taken as a 2.7. That is a length is, that the velocity is a 2.5, that is divided by 0.25. This comes as a 10 centimeter. I draw the exactly perpendicular to this one, that is a 10 centimeter. I draw the 10 centimeter here. You look at this one, this is drawn as a 10 centimeter. Okay, this is a point B, that is a point A, that is the direction is this way. Okay, first one. Then second, I will draw the velocity of, that is a B with respect to A. Okay, then here also you have to draw the perpendicular. You have to make it as alignment for this one, and you have to draw the perpendicular. This you have to shift it. You know the point A. Point A is already you know from the velocity diagram. You have to draw the perpendicular to that one. Okay, perpendicular that means that is also line of action only, because you don't know the velocity and acceleration diagram. I drawn this one. Okay, this is a point. This is a line of action only. Can you find it? Line of action. From this, okay, from this once again I will find the velocity of B with respect to O2. Here also you will find the line of action only. I will go for the line of action, perpendicular. With respect to which point? With respect to O2 point. O2 point is already known. You have to draw the perpendicular. This is a new point, is a B. I will complete this one fast. Then I will go for the velocity of C with respect to B. Okay, this is also, that is a perpendicular to this one. Okay, you have to shift this one. Velocity of C with respect to B. Okay, velocity of C with respect to B means that is a perpendicular. Okay, B is already known. You draw this one, line of action. Okay, line of action is this one. This is the line of action. Then velocity of C with respect to fixed point O2, slider. Any times you have to go for the slider anytime with respect to fixed point. For this is a same line. Slider is, that is a horizontal. That is a straight line motion. Then you draw this one. You draw it. This is a point as a C. Then you have to draw the vector direction. That is also first. I will complete this one. This one, this is, if you consider it a resultant, both should be same line, along the same line. Look at this one. This is becomes a resultant. Can you find it? This becomes a resultant. This is both. You look at this one. You come for this one. You come for this one. Then this becomes, if you are taking a resultant, these both should be same direction. This side, this. Okay. The marking is what? Marking is, I will go for, this is a resultant. Marking now velocity of A with respect to B. This is a velocity of A with respect to O1 or O2. This is what? Velocity of B with respect to O2 or O1. This is what? Velocity of B with respect to C. This is a velocity of C, because you look at the direction, velocity of C with respect to O1. Okay, then if this is a vector direction is a different way, that is a velocity you are finding with respect to this point, that is a different way. Vector diagram you can mark anyway with respect to whatever the point. Listen, this is a vector we can mark in any way, but for the velocity diagram, that is a velocity, finding a velocity is important. Velocity of A with respect to 1, velocity of B with respect to A, velocity of B with respect to O2, velocity of C with respect to B, velocity of C with respect to O1 or O2. That is a straight line. Then I will come to this. Afterwards, you measure the things, measure using this scale and convert in the form of scale. It comes as a, you look at this one, these are the value got it from the this one. VAO1, it is a 2.51 meter per second. VAB, that is a 2.45. VBO2, that is a 0.65. VCO2, that is a 0.55. VBC is 0.6. This is a meter per second. Then I will come to the acceleration diagram. In acceleration diagram, scale is I have taken as a 1 centimeter equal to 5 meter per second. You have to remember this one. A total equal to A radial and A total. That is a radial. This is a designation I have taken. This is a tangential. Okay. Then I will, how many links will find it? Look at this one link. I have taken as a O1A. Then AB link. BO2 link. CB link. I have written here. Clear? This is a table. I have taken this one. You have to take it, mark it. O1A, AB, this is a how many links I have taken, whatever the number of links is there, I have written here also. This is a radial acceleration, this is a tangential acceleration, total acceleration. All the unit is a meter per second only. First I will go for the link O1A. Okay, link O1A means what is the, that is a radial acceleration. One more thing, all the radial acceleration you will get it from the velocity diagram. That value will be, you have to take the velocity diagram, that is the value V velocity. From the velocity diagram, I have taken whatever the previous velocity diagram you have taken, you have to take that velocity only. Then VA square A1, this is the acceleration divided by 1A. We can find it as a, this is a 63.04. That is a acceleration of A1. That is a radial acceleration of A1 with respect to O1. Okay, that comes as a 63. What about the tangential? Tangential, first you have to go for the tangential. In this case, they are not given as a constant also, nothing also. They are not given this value, you have to take it as a 0. Means only you have to take it as a 8. This is a 63 equal to, this is a total becomes a 63 only. Don't take this one. This you have to 0. You make it as a 0. Don't draw that also, tangential. Then I will go for the radial. Radial means, that is the important thing, direction is, first you have to go for the fixed point. Fixed point is where it is comes, fixed point. Fixed point is, you have taken from the somewhere. I will take this one from the fixed point is here. I will take it as a fixed point somewhere here. Okay. Okay, that is what the fixed point. O1, how many fixed point? O1, O2 is there. That is a fixed point I have taken. Then I will draw using a red color. I will draw the things. First you have to go for the direction. Direction is important. Direction is important. How to draw the direction? Okay, this is towards the acceleration of A with respect to O1. That is important. Acceleration of A with respect to O means this is a upward direction. With respect to what? With respect to what means you have to take that direction. Okay, what is the things? Then you have to come for the velocity diagram. That is acceleration diagram. You have to make it as alignment for the radial. You have to make it as alignment for the radial. How much direction? This is a, I have taken as a 63 means that comes as a 63 divided by 5 means it comes as a nearer to 12.6 centimeter. I draw this one. Alignment, you have to make it as alignment here. Exactly same. You have to make it as alignment and you have to take it as how much? That is a 12.6 centimeter. Okay. This is a total acceleration. This is a remember because at least for the 12.6. For the acceleration diagram, one should be total acceleration to start the beginning. This is a point is a nothing but A. This is what you say. This is a acceleration of A with respect to 1. This is a total acceleration only. Remember it. In order to start the things, you have to need one of the total acceleration. That's why I have taken as a table. Then I will come to the link AB. Come to the link AB. AB is, here also you will find two things. That is a radial also, tangential also. Radial you can find it from the velocity diagram. Radial acceleration of BA, that is a V square BA divided by AB. This comes as a 50 meter per second. What about the tangential? Tangential is, they are not given as alpha. That's why you have to take it as a line of action. This is also, remember it. You have to take it as a line of action for the link AB. Okay, same thing I will do it. Because B is, that is a point is already known. Okay, A already, you have to start from what? This is from the start from the A. Okay, here also important thing, that is the direction. Okay, I am drawing that is the acceleration of B with respect to A. This is a marking. Clear? You have to mark is important. This means indicates this is a whatever the point is there on the acceleration diagram, that is you have to take above only. Okay, you have to take it as above only. Okay, then I will draw the above only. Okay, here you have to make it as a alignment for the radial acceleration should be same as a link. Okay, alignment, how much that is a 50 centimeter means it comes as a 50 divided by 5 means it comes as a 10 centimeter. This is a 50 divided by 5 means that comes as a 10 centimeter. You have to draw the 10 centimeter. Okay, that is with respect to this one A, that is above. With respect to A means that is above only, that is upward direction. How much? This is a 10 centimeter. I have drawn this is a 10 centimeter. Okay, this is a 10 centimeter. What do you say? That is a radial B. Okay, this is this direction I have taken. Okay, for the radial, because this comes as the radial is 50 means 50 divided by 5 means that comes as a 10. Okay, then tangential is what? For the radial, this is a yellow, the line of action only. You have to draw the perpendicular. That is a perpendicular is either both direction. You don't know the exactly what you have to say. This one a tangential of what do you say? That is a B tangential. Then come to the acceleration of B with respect to O2. O2 also, here also look at this calculation. That is a or that is a BO2 equal to, that is a calculation with acceleration of BO2, that is a radial acceleration V square BO2 divided by BO2. This comes as a 2.8. Okay, 2.8 means with respect to what? With respect to O2. Okay, O2 is here. How much that is a 2.8 means it comes as 2.8 divided by, that is a 5. It comes as a nearer to 6 mm. Okay, this is called as a radial BO2. Can you find it? Then tangential is what? Tangential is perpendicular to this only. Tangential is perpendicular to this only. I draw this also. This is also line of action only. This is also line of action only. Now line of action. Then the intersection becomes this intersection of the tangential. This is a tangential of BO2. Can you find it? BO2, this becomes a point as a B. Can you find it? This is a B. Then you have to join it. This is becomes a total acceleration. This becomes a total acceleration. Whatever the red I have drawn, this is a total acceleration. Okay, this is, if you are marking as this is this way, the comes as this way. Okay, this is a total acceleration. A total acceleration of B with respect to A. This is a total acceleration. For this also, look at this one, radial acceleration of BO2 and tangential acceleration of BO2. This becomes also total acceleration. I have drawn this is using a red. Can you find it? This is also total acceleration. Okay, this is, if you consider as tangent, this is a mark for the accel direction. This is a radial is this way, tangential is this way, radial becomes this way. That is a total acceleration. What you say? That is a total acceleration of B with respect to O2. Can you find it? This one. Okay, then come to the link BC. Then come to the link BC. BC is what? ARCB, that is a V square CB divided BC. It comes as a velocity from the 0.6a square, that is a divided by 0.350. It comes as a 1. 1 means 1 divided by 5 means it comes as a nearer to 0.2. Clear? That is a BC. BC is a link this one. For this is having a radial also, tangential also. Radial is the direction is important. Now direction, I'll go for the direction. This is the direction is above the B. That is the right hand side of the B from the this one. Acceleration diagram. How much this is a nearer to, I drawn here. Using a blue, this is I drawn here approximately this one. This is nothing but a radial of CB. Then tangential is what? Tangential is exactly perpendicular to this only. Okay, you draw the perpendicular. Can you find it? I drawn here also perpendicular. You draw this perpendicular. You have to draw the perpendicular. That is, this becomes a tangential of CB. Okay, this is a tangential of the CB. Then still you don't know the total acceleration. Now come to this one. Acceleration of C with respect to O2. For the slider, that is a total acceleration will be there. For the slider, that is a total acceleration will be there. That is along the direction of the motion of the slider. That is exactly horizontal. I draw that only. You take it this one exactly horizontal, and this is a total acceleration. I mark this one. This is a total acceleration. This comes as an intersection exactly here C. Can you find it? This is a C. Then once again you have to join this one. Using a red, you join this one. What is this? This is total acceleration of what? This is, if it is a direction, look at this a direction. This is this way, this is upward, this comes as a opposite to this one, downward. What you say? This is a acceleration of total acceleration of C with respect to B. Can you find it? Okay. Whatever the things I have drawn as a total, that is a red, that is a total acceleration. Then what the things they said, acceleration of the slider, that is you have to measure this one. How much it is comes? This is 18.5 centimeter. 18.5 centimeter means you have to make it as a multiplication. 18.5 into 5, it comes as 18.5. That is a 18. That is 18 point. This comes as 18.5 into a narrow to comes as a 92. You calculate it this one. You convert it as scale. It comes as a 18.7. This is into 5. It comes as narrow to 92.5 meter per second. You have to check it. That is the scale. Then it comes as 18.5. Okay, that is 50 divided by 1 minute. This is 10 centimeter. This is 18.5 into 5. It comes as a 92 point. Okay, you measure the things, you will get as a, they ask the acceleration of this one. Okay, can you find it? This one I explained. Okay, this is, I will explain the things. This is important. First thing, you have to go for the total. Beginning you need a one of the total. Okay, that's why I have taken as a total. That's why I have taken as, this is the first case, link O2 is I have taken as a, that is a tangential is a 0. For the remaining links, you have to take it as a 2 components. That is a AB also, you take a 2 components, that is a radial and tangential. For the BO2, you have to take it as a 2 component, that is a radial and tangential. For the CB also, you have to take it as a 2 component, that is a radial and tangential. Then generally, you have to take it as a tangential is always you have to take it as a line of action only. Look at the link AB, link BO2, link BC, link whatever the remaining links, you have to take it as a line of action. We'll get as a radial acceleration, you get it from the velocity diagram. Okay, you have to take this formula, that is a V divided by the link length. Then you will find it. Then finally you look at this one. Okay, I stop here only. I hope that you got it. Okay, can you find it? Okay, I stop here only.